Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can send Pabbly Form Builder responses to Slack account automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. Pabbly Form Builder is a form building software application and Slack is an online chat and communication platform. So the idea here is that you have created an application form using your Pabbly Form Builder account. The form can be a contact form also, registration form or any kind of form. I am taking the example of an application form. So you have shared that form with your applicants who are applying for the job or for other reasons. Okay. Now whenever an applicant fills that particular form, automatically your team which is on the Slack channel should get a notification or a message that this particular applicant has applied. For this, we need to create a connection between Pabbly Form Builder and Slack so that whenever a new form is submitted, automatically a message is sent to your team on the Slack channel. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as send Pabbly Form Builder responses to Slack. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills your Pabbly Form Builder form, automatically the details of the customer should be received on your Slack channel and it should be shared to your team. For that, open this trigger window. Here in the choose application, let us find Pabbly Form Builder. In the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Pabbly Form Builder account. Okay, I'm just going to copy this webhook URL from here. I'll take you to my Pabbly Form Builder dashboard. Here we can find the integrations option. Click on it. Now here we can find webhooks option. Open the webhooks and click on this plus sign, create webhook. Now here it is asking to add a webhook. So I'm just going to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and simply click on save. And here we can see that our webhook is saved successfully. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have to just click on recapture webhook response. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So I'll just take you to my Pabbly Form Builder account once again. Let's move to the dashboard. Here I have already created some forms. Okay, I'll show you the forms, that is team leader CRM form, enrollment form, application form. So we are going to access this application form from here. I'll just open it and I'll show it to you. So let's click on edit. Okay, it may take some time. Yes, it is getting loaded. And here we can find the application form where I have taken the basic fields, that is the first name, last name, email address, phone number, current city name and years of experience. All these details of the customer. So if you want to add some more fields, you can add the fields from here as per your requirement. Okay, and simply click on save. After that, you can click on this share option. And from here, you can find the form link. So you can use this particular link to get the form filled. You can embed it on our website or you can share it with your customers. Okay. And here itself, we can find the I button, that is preview. Let us click on it so that a new form will get open and we are going to fill up the details on the name of our customer. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number, city as Indore, and years of experience as 5. Click on submit. Your message submitted successfully. So the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and here we can find the details of the customer, first name, last name, email address and the phone number, as well as the city name and the years of experience. So now we want that using these details, automatically a message should be sent to your team on your Slack channel. For that, come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find Slack. In the action event, we have to select send channel message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Slack. Now it is asking for the token type. Enter the token type as either user or bot. Know more about Slack tokens over here. Let's click on HERE here. So you can refer to this particular instructions and you can select it the token type as per your requirement, that is user or bot. In my case, I am just giving the token type as user and click on save. Now I'll just maximize this window. Pabbly Connect is requesting permission to access the Pabbly Slack workspace. Okay. So as I'm already logged into my Slack account, it is asking for the access. Let's click on allow. Authorization successful, and now the Slack account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Slack account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Slack account. Now here we have to select the channel name. So I'll take you to my Slack account. Here I have already created some channels and we are going to access the channel name, that is Pabbly team right now. So I want all the messages to be delivered to my team on this particular channel name, that is Pabbly team. So I have to select the same channel name over here in Pabbly Connect also. So I'm just going to refresh it for the new items and we have to select the channel name as Pabbly team over here. Now it is asking for the message, what message you want to send. So I am entering the message as, hello team, we have received a new application. Applicant details are name, email, phone number and city and experience. So we have to map all these details over here, which we have already received through the form submission. So we are going to map these details now. Let us map them one by one. Here we have to map the name. So I'm just going to enter the name. Just give it a space. Come to Pabbly Form Builder. And we have to find the name from here. That is Adam. As well as the last name also. That is Smith. Okay. Here I'm just adding the email address from Pabbly Form Builder. And this was the email address. Here we have to map the phone number. I'm giving a space. And let us map the phone number. Here we have to map the city. Okay, I'll just take the cursor over here. And let's add the city over here. We have to map it. Okay. And the experience also. And the experience was 5 years. So we have to map the same over here. Okay. So we have entered all the details. Now if you want to give the image URL, image alt text, you can give it over here. Let us select the bot name. So if you want to specify a bot name, you can mention it over here. Bot icon also, if you have the URL of your bot icon, map it over here. Auto expand links and all these fields are not mandatory, so I'm just leaving them as blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new message is shared with the team on the Slack channel. Let's check it. And here we can see the message, hello team, we have received a new application. Applicant details are Adam Smith, his email address, phone number, city, Indore and experience. So in this way, our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to the form once again, that is the application form, and we are going to fill up the details on the name of some other candidate this time. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya,
email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, phone number, city as Bhopal, years of experience, let us give it as 10 years. Okay, and let's click on submit. Your message submitted successfully. So the form has been filled. Now we have to check whether a message is sent to our team on our Slack channel or not. Let's check our Slack channel. Here we can find a new message. Hello team, we have received a new application. Applicant details are name Shikha Arya, her email address, phone number, city and experience. So here we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. And as this is a one-time automation, whenever the application form will be filled by any of the applicant, automatically your team will get notified on the Slack channel. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the applicant through the form submission, and using those details, automatically a new message was shared to your team on the Slack channel. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Pabbly Form Builder and Slack using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.